Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study divider in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as divider playground. Divider is a visual element that is used to separate content, and SwiftUI presents this as a thin gray line that can be either horizontal or vertical. So let's try to understand this with the help of an example. We are going to have a vstack, and let's just have a text in here that says maybe welcome username, and then let's just have another text in here that says something about user or description or something. So just like any view that you have. And for instance, if we want to have a separator or kind of a divider or line in between them, so we can add a divider in here, and you may notice that we have this now a very thin gray line in here, and that's what the divider is. So we can actually change this color for the divider by using the overlay and maybe to a blue color. Now we have a blue line, and we can actually change the thickness for this divider. Since it's a horizontal line, so we can increase its height to maybe 10 points. So now we have a very thick divider. Let's just change it to 5. Yeah. And if you want to, you can also limit the width for this divider. Maybe if you want to only have a divider for 200 points, so you can use it like this to set a width, and you can increase the thickness as well and use a different color. So that's it. If you use a divider inside a vstack, it will be a vertical line, it will be a horizontal line, just the opposite of the stack. If the stack is vertical, the line is horizontal. And now let's just try to use this inside our stack. So we can have an image of person. This is a system icon or system image, and let's just give this vstack of padding from top so that we have a separate views. And let's just have a text in here that says maybe welcome username or something. Now if we want to have a separator or divider in between them, we can just simply add a divider in here, and just like that we have a divider, but it's taking all the space it can. We can adjust it, but a divider inside a hashtag, it will be a vertical line. So we can adjust the frame, since it's a vertical line, so we can adjust it height to maybe 200 points if you want, or it's too much, so maybe we can use only 50 points. And for the thickness, we first have to apply an overlay, because thickness normally doesn't work directly with the original gray line. So let's just have maybe a yellow color, and then we can use a frame, and we can provide a width of maybe 20. So now we have this huge, it's a big yellow line, I would say. So let's just maybe reduce this to only 3 points or maybe 5. So now we have our divider. So this is just a simple concept. Divider is just a line. If you use it in a vstack, it will be a horizontal line. If you use it in a hashtag, it will be a vertical line. And for some reason, if you decided to use this without a stack, then it will be a horizontal line. That's a default orientation for it. We can adjust the thickness for the divider, the height or width, and we can of course provide a color to divider. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.